This is where the gunpowder is mixed. Only one employee works in each of the small huts standing apart from each other. This is to limit casualties in the case of an accident. Filming is prohibited inside the huts because the mixture of gunpowder is a trade secret. But we were able to shoot other processes, like the packing of shells. Each shell varies in size and types of gunpowder used. A slight change in the location of gunpowder could alter the entire picture in the sky. Skilled manual labor is crucial. In the end, machines are used to wrap paper around the shells filled with gunpowder. Precision is necessary here as well. Unless the paper is evenly wrapped, the gunpowder will not detonate as planned. These fireworks are also exported to over a dozen countries worldwide.